In this series of 5 videos, I will be sharing with you the heart of the 5 pillars of the Trusted Accounting Advisory Program. I want to share with you a little bit about the program. The program itself is talking about goals and objectives. So we have the goals being differentiate your services, establish your brand, sales and marketing, objectives being a mind shift, providing advisory services, thriving advisory business. So in the program, there are 5 pillars, and each pillar is a day here that we'll be sharing in these videos. Pillar 1 is about the approach. Pillar 2 is about synergy. Pillar 3 is about efficiency. Pillar 4 is promote, and pillar 5 is execute. So we're going to talk about pillar 1, which is the approach. This is how you can go from a number cruncher to a game changer. So it requires a mind shift change, and that will transform your ability to provide advisory services. So you have to think differently. You have to understand how to communicate with your clients differently. You have to learn how to not be and speak like an accountant. So how can you be differentiated from the traditional advisory services? Well, what makes you unique is you. You have your own way of providing your bookkeeping services currently, and you know you could be probably doing more. And in fact, you probably are already doing more. And so by taking it up a level for your clients, who knows better than you do their books, where they've been and where they're going, and what they really do need to work on, that differentiates you from traditional advisory services. It's a customized program, one that takes key elements and tools and then allows you to customize it to you and your clients. Becoming and providing advisory services. As I mentioned already, you probably are already providing advisory services. And even though you know it, you probably don't realize it. And you're certainly not monetizing it. Now, doesn't mean that it has to be a huge price, but it is valuable. It is, again, what makes you different. And it is that mind shift change, that you have valuable insights that you can share with your clients that they otherwise would not realize. And by providing those advisory services, then you're educating them and you're helping them to elevate their business. Strategic thinking. How are you helping your client to learn how to strategically think? So there's a common phrase that's used out there in the business world is that you're a business owner who has a job, but what we want is our clients to be a CEO that has a business. And that requires strategic thinking. Standardizing advisory services. So the key things that you're going to want to always have each of your clients participate in. Cash flow analysis, key performance indicators. Metrics are so important and can really share additional insight into the story your financials are already telling. And then this is important for yourself as well as your clients. Just what is your why? Why do you do what you do? I do what I do because I want to help the massively underserved businesses that are out there with their financials, to learn how and what the financials are saying, how to read them, and then how to take them to provide you with key information and metrics that allows you to make really good, solid business decisions that will then help your business grow without growing broke.